10. Delhi Cantonment Area.
A charming lady dressed in a white passed was a lift or runs at the speed of the car that passes by the area. It is said that Delhi Cantonment is the shelter of a lady ghost who was supposedly killed in a car accident. The lady spirit tries to attract the people who passes by the area. Many people who have visited the area have experienced her existence.
Number 9. Savoy Hotel, Mussoorie.
The ghost of Lady Garnet Om is rumored to haunt the Savoy Hotel in Mussoorie, where she was murdered by adding strychnine in her medicine bottle. Years later, the doctor who was tending to her was found dead in similar circumstances. The case created a buzz and found its way to several books, including the novel of Agatha Christie, that is, The Mysterious Affairs at Styles.
Number 8. Charleville Mansion, Shimla.
It was built in British era and was rented in 1913 by the British officer Victor Bailey and his wife. But little did he know that the house was also a home to a poltergeist. When he heard the tale of the poltergeist from a local, he decided to test the authenticity of the haunted tales. So he locked the room where most of the activities were reported. When he opened the room, to his surprise, he found the room in shatters.
Number 7. Channel number 33, Shimla, Kaltaroo.
Captain Berog, a British engineer, was in charge of building this tunnel but failed to build it. The British fined him and he killed himself out of humiliation. His spirit is rumored to roam around in the tunnel and have friendly conversations with those who sees him.
Number 6. Graveyard in Dakshai.
Not all ghosts present in the haunted places in India are bad, or so believe the people of Dakshai. According to a tale, an 8-month pregnant wife of British officer died in an accident and was buried here. A marble structure of a lady and her baby being blessed by an elf in its lap placed in this graveyard. A superstition among the wives of Indian army officers exists that a marble piece from the grave would bless them with a baby boy.
Number 5. GP Block, Meerut.
Several locals have spotted ghosts of girls in red dresses and ghosts of men drinking right outside the building, though none of the witnesses could figure out who these people were. The ghosts disappeared whenever any brave heart dared to go close to them.
Number 4. Dumas Beach, Surat.
It is believed that the beach was used as a burial ground for long and hence is home to some several tortured souls. People have reported hearing whispers of other people talking when they were alone on the beach.
Number 3. Kuldhara, Rajasthan.
Kuldhara is located near Jaisalmer and has been abandoned since the 19th century. It was established by Paliwal Brahmins. One night in 1825, all the people of Kuldhara and 83 nearby villages vanished all of a sudden. The mystery of vanishing of villagers is quite intriguing, though a story of Salim Singh, then Minister of State, who fell in love with the beautiful daughter of the village chieftain. He threatened the villagers for paying high taxes. Chief of the village and villagers decided to abandon their villages. It is also said that the villagers before leaving cursed the village that no one could ever inhabit their land.
Number 2. Brijraj Bhavan, Kota.
It is claimed to be the home of harmless ghost of Major Burton, who was killed by the Indian sepoys during the mutiny of 1857. This ghost in India is rumored to walk on the corridors of the palace and occasionally slap the guard who sleep on their duties.
And the last, number 1. Bhangar Fort, Alwar.
It is claimed that the ghost is of Tantrik Singhia, who fell in love with the princess Ratnavati. He tried to use magic to win over her, but the princess got to know of his evil plans and ordered him killed. Before the Tantrik died, he cursed the residents of the fort to die and the village dwellers to remain roofless forever. Even if a roof is built, it collapses soon after.